I'm Rashawn Levin, a realtor with KW United. Today's video is on a new 100% financing FHA loan program. Today's agenda, I'll talk a little bit about me, overview of what an FHA loan is, and review the guidelines for this great program for you to consider. I am licensed in Virginia, Maryland, and DC. I'm a certified realtor, real estate negotiation expert, first-time homebuyer specialist, and I am an advocate for educating others about the home buying process. Now, let's get into today's session on this great program that could possibly be your ticket to home ownership. So, what is an FHA loan? An FHA loan is a government loan that is administered by HUD. FHA is an acronym for Federal Housing Association. The loan requires a 3.5% down payment, upfront mortgage insurance premium, and monthly mortgage insurance for the life of the loan. The down payment required can be of the buyer's own funds, come from a gift, or can be received by an approved program to provide the funds. Now, the good part, this program, with this new program, 100% is now available for an FHA loan, which was before unheard of with all the different guidelines that I will share with you shortly. The down payment still is required, but with this program, it's paid on behalf of the buyer. There are two options for this loan. It can be either a 5-year forgivable loan or a 10-year repayment loan up to 5% of the sales price. So the 5-year forgivable loan is what's called a silent second. What does that mean? It is quiet, but that means it's not activated unless the property is sold. If the property would be sold within that time frame, the funds would have to be paid back, and the actual 5-year loan is at 0% interest. So if you stay in the home for 5 years, you don't have to pay the money back. At year 6, the loan is forgiven. All right, second option. The second option is a 10-year repayable loan. So this option is a second lien with monthly payments with the mortgage payment, though because the monthly payments will affect the buyer's buying power, it's going to affect the debt to income ratio. So the amounts that can be given with both products is 3.5% or 5% of the sales price. So let's talk about the 3 credit bureaus: Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. The minimum credit score is a 620, and what the lender is going to use is what you call your middle score. So say, for instance, if you have a 632 with Equifax, you got a 625 with TransUnion, and you have a 640 with Equifax, then what the middle score, they're not going to average them. They're going to use what the middle score is. So the 620 in that example would be the middle score. So that's the score that they would use, which would qualify you because the minimum score is a 620. Keep in mind, if you are using other systems to monitor your credit, the score that they're giving you is what's called a Vantage score. It's not your FICO score. So the scores can vary based on once you actually pull the credit with the lender. So don't be surprised if the scores vary. Usually they vary about, I've seen on average like 15 to 20 points sometimes. Unfortunately, it's unfortunate, but it is what it is. But we can get you there, we can get you set up. So, the best news of all, there is no requirement that you have to be a first-time home buyer. You heard me. You do not have to be a first-time home buyer to get this product. Many programs that currently assist with down payments require the buyer to be a first-time home buyer, which by definition means that you have not owned a home within the last 3 years. But with this program, it doesn't matter. So if you have a home to sell and you need to sell it, you can sell the home and buy and use this product, or you can keep it, but you just cannot have an FHA loan. So that's not a requirement. And also, There is no education that's required, though. If you want to take a refresher course about home ownership, you should, but it's not as a required condition on getting the program. So next, is there a maximum yearly income that you can't exceed for the program? Like other products, you can't make over a threshold, you can't make over a certain amount based on the median income, but this program does not have any income restrictions. So there's no maximum income that's required or minimums that you have to not make over. So if you make 80,000 or 280 a year, it doesn't matter. Your debt to income ratio does apply though. So next, the maximum sales price is $726,200, or the maximum FHA limit for the city or county where the property is being purchased in. In Virginia, Maryland, and DC, the number is $726,200, though if you're looking at this video for other jurisdictions, then it may be a different amount. So, where may you use this program? Of course, in areas that I cover, Virginia, Maryland, and DC, and all 50 states. So it doesn't matter the location, or it's not based on the census tract. You have to buy in this special zip code or in this special area to get the program, so it doesn't matter. So, eligible properties. What properties can you get? You can get a condo, you can get a townhome, you can get a single family. Depends on what you qualify for and depends on what you are looking for in a home. So, thank you so much for watching. Please share with your family, friends, and colleagues throughout the United States. If you need to get an agent in your area to assist you with the program, I'd be happy to assist you with finding someone that is reputable and professional as I am. I am Rashana Levin with KW United. Feel free to scan my QR code and save my contact card, or click on the link in the description of this video and schedule a phone call. Until we speak, have a great day.